Great news, dears. How are you doing today? So, from now till 14th of this month, July 2022, all our 12 classes, which has a total of 42 designs, is going for $25. That used to be $110. Isn't that great news? Okay, so if you want to hop in and get to it fast, do check the description of this video. You will see the Dvent Craft Academy reception link. Get in there and you will see all the details you need to attend this lovely class that will take you to the next level in your millinery journey. So I do hope to see you there, and till we meet next time, is goodbye and God bless.